What's unveiling existence? I'm Volkth. You probably clicked on this video and you're like, what the heck, Volkth? You're in Las Vegas with the Vegas sign behind me. Well, yeah, I came to Vegas because a friend of mine, he actually landed out in that airport right there. Yeah. Fun fact, the airport's right next to the Vegas sign. I had no idea until I came here. But yeah, got a quick little Las Vegas vlog for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. This was my trip to Las Vegas. Yay! Little bonus, that's what it says on the back of the sign. Drive carefully, come back soon. Yeah, of course you want us to come back soon. More money, right? Alright everybody, we're halfway to Las Vegas, but we had to make a quick rest stop at Barstow Station. This place is pretty cool. I'm finding candies I've never seen before. We got gummy Skittles, strawberry flavored Triton gum, which I actually have never seen before. They also have the wild berry flavor. They got the new sour berry Starburst. Every flavor of Sour Patch straws, and even every flavor of Rip Rolls, except for the rainbow one, it appears. Oh nope, right here. Wow, they even have the rainbow one. And then lastly, I just had to show everyone this. Every flavor of taffy in sticks. This is the rarest flavor, blueberry, and Paradise Airhead Bites. Oh my goodness. If you guys didn't know, I have a huge sweet tooth. I've been holding off on sweets for the past 10 days, and this is all extremely tempting. I know there's a candy store in Las Vegas, and I'm just saving all my sweet points, I guess you can say, till then. This place is really cool. So they got a pretty famous McDonald's here that allows you to eat in the train cars. My grandma used to take me here, and we used to eat in those actually. Unfortunately, they're closed due to COVID. But yeah, this place is a pretty dope place. After an almost 6-hour trip through traffic, we finally arrived at Las Vegas. Okay, I'm starting this off big. I'm actually going up to the Stratosphere Tower. Oh, it's my turn. We got my tickets here, and I'm actually gonna go on one of the thrill rides. I let you guys vote, and it's gonna be great. Oh, gotta hurry up and get up there. It's gonna be great. Freezing up here. Absolutely incredible view. Like when I saw this for the first time, oh my goodness, I haven't seen a view like this since I flew to Kansas. Wow, dude, what a way to end my night. This is great. And my poll on social media picked the Extreme for the ride I go on. It's like the roller coaster that dangles you over the building. I gotta do it for the vlog, right? Did it for the vlog. Here I go. I did it! Yeah. The Extreme. I had my hands up for the last one. That was great. That was really fun. Oh, my glasses.
Don't forget those.
Thank you. That was great. I couldn't really see because I didn't have my glasses. I'm gonna bring contacts next time, but next time I'm riding all three. I promise you. All right, we're actually just in time to see one of the sky drops. I think, yeah, she's gonna do it. This is great. They got a really cool setup too. It's all green and neon. It might be a little bright for you guys, but oh my goodness. What a setup here. This is incredible. This is my first time up here. Like, what a great way to start my first night in Vegas, dude. Alright, so I've actually been to Las Vegas before, but it was to see my dad, and I was really young. I think I was about 12, 11, maybe even 10, 9 even. Wow. But this is my first time being here, and I'm 21 too. What better time to come? And let me tell you, the Stratosphere Tower is absolutely breathtaking. Like, I'm just walking in here, I'm like, wow, we humans have come so darn far. Alright, I've been here with my mom for about over 20 minutes already. They're gonna close pretty soon, so better wrap it up. It's just, well, I can spend all day in here. Mom and I are tired. We're gonna head back to the room, get some food somehow, and shoot, I hope I vlogged enough for this portion, but I'll see you guys in the morning. Alright, I'm hunting down the I Love Sugar store, and we found this this imitation one, but still, it's pretty impressive. Check out the Elvis made of Jelly Belly jelly beans. That is absolutely sick. I love the creative design here. We're gonna see a lot of cool stuff like this pretty soon. Oh wow. But let's go find the real candy store. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I love sugar. Let's go. I found it. This is one of the main places I want to go. I love sugar. My goodness. I've never even seen this flavor of Nerds Row. Oh yeah, I'm definitely getting this. Yo, if I had a YouTube studio or somewhere to record like my main videos, this would make a great background for like a green screen background for when I'm just talking. Oh, my elevator's here. Oh my god. It went from sweet, sours, and gummies to chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Wow, we're in chocolate world. Oh my goodness, I'm overwhelmed, dude. There's too much here. Oh my goodness. So yeah, Las Vegas is hella fun. I'm only gonna be here like really 2 days, a day, but there's so much to see, so much to do here. You also need a pretty penny, and I can't really go crazy with money right now. But I mean, shoot, I'm gonna be spending all day just seeing as much as I can. And if you come to Vegas, like, try to stay here longer than 2 days so you can do everything. Hey, if you didn't know, you can actually zip line across this whole place here, right above I Love Sugar. That's pretty sick. All right, I'm actually on Fremont Street right now. This is a must-view place. I know I'm here when it's daytime. I don't know if I'll be back when it's nighttime. Shoot, I'm on a very tight schedule, but here's 50% of the reason why I came. Look what it is!
What's good, bro?
It's Tseikatsu and his girlfriend Tyler. How crazy is this compared to Kansas?
Shit's crazy,
Yeah,
bro.
I love
Shit's
it.
crazy.
Yeah, I'm so glad you made it, dude. You need to take more trips like this. Trips like this are amazing.
Alright, yo, Volkth's gonna try some smash burger because I told him it was fire.
Alright, let's see if it's really fire.
Look how good that looks.
Pretty small though.
I hope it is fire. Yeah, that's pretty fucking good, right?
Good.
Dude, yeah.
It's really good. Alright, we just had a meal. Tseikatsu's leaving technically morning. You gotta leave at 3 in the morning, huh?
Yeah, it's fucking crazy.
It's crazy.
I don't even want to leave, but I have to.
Yeah. But what do you rate your trip, man? From Kansas to Las Vegas, what do you gotta say?
Shit, honestly, I'm gonna give it a 9, and the only reason why it's not getting a 10 because it feels like you're at a fucking amusement park. Cause like you're in line for fucking every single thing you do, and I hate that feeling. But other than that, it was pretty fun. Too expensive though.
Yeah,
literally.
This place just wants your money. Yeah. I just got water. This is water.
Got some water.
Toast for the vlog.
Toast for the vlog.
To Vegas.
Yeah.
Well, guys, Tseikatsu's gotta go.
Gotta go back home to Kansas.
I know it was very brief, everybody, and we didn't get to do much, but you know, shoot, he was on a tight schedule. But hint, I am planning on something big. It's a video I've always wanted to do, and I also want to make it for my film portfolio. I'm gonna have Tseikatsu involved with it, a bunch of my good buddies. I'm gonna try to make it happen in July. It might be a little later than that, but the big video I'm gonna go for. Yeah, I'm gonna go for the big video in October. Anyway, dude, great seeing you,
bro. Peace out,
This
bro.
is only my second time meeting you.
Second time, bro. But like we talk all the time. So
yeah, we talk all the time, so not a big issue. All right.
It really don't fucking matter.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna watch Dr. Stone when you get back.
Fuck yeah, bro. We have to eventually.
All right, man. Get some sleep. Safe flight. I'll see you in the future. Enjoy your existence, bro.
Peace out, man.
Peace out. I'll drop my goddamn
I'll see
phone.
you. I'll see you the 3rd, bro. The 3rd.
Oh, just did something pretty cool. I visited Zach's haunted museum. If you can see it behind me, pretty dark. We came out when it's pretty dark. Love the red lighting. Very interesting place. A lot of amazing artifacts Zach Bezos has collected over the years. Whoa, cat running across the way. Shoot, it was a pretty interesting experience. Great to learn about artifacts like that. I gotta visit more of these places. Very cool. Very, very cool. I literally walked back all the way to I Love Sugar at almost 2 in the morning to get this. I had to, okay? I had to. I just had to. So it's about to be 3 o'clock in the morning, believe it or not, and I'm still walking the Vegas Strip because I want to see a few more things. And one of the things I really wanted to vlog was the world's largest chocolate fountain. Now, look, at first glance, you're like, that's the world's largest chocolate fountain? What? But as you look up, yeah, that's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that, all of that is pumping, flowing chocolate, pure molten chocolate, dude. That is absolutely cool. And I was researching what to do in Vegas, and this was like one of the tourist attractions to see. And I definitely wanted to see it. Here's their Guinness Book of World Records certificate. Very, 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 very cool. You can pause the video and read all the information I already have. And yeah, I definitely wanted to get this in my little Vegas vlog here. I'm having a blast walking around Las Vegas at 3 in the morning. Look, I'm going across this cool bridge. Yeah. All right, they're on my channel now. That's awesome. But yeah, I'm having a blast just exploring Las Vegas at 3 in the morning. I'm crossing this cool bridge right here. Look, you can see where I'm staying. The Paris Hotel. Crazy, huh? It's crazy at night, yeah. One thing that's common, I know pickpockets are a common thing in Las Vegas, so that's one thing I'm a little prepared for. Got my stuff deep in my pockets, don't worry. But I'm gonna go find the Taco Bell Cantina and then go get some sleep for sure. Okay guys, I safely made it to my destination. The Taco Bell Cantina. Yeah, I'm having a blast just exploring the Strip at past 3 in the morning. This has been crazy.
How long have you been videographing for? I only ask because I do music videos and stuff.
Oh, really? That's sick as hell. I've just been doing YouTube. I got into it when it was 2014, and I've just been doing whatever I like here and there.
I'll subscribe to you.
That'd be, hey, well, I appreciate that. You'll see yourself on the channel then.
Oh, okay. My Instagram is Jante_Shields, JANTE_SHIE.
Okay.
LDS.
Okay, awesome.
But
We got
go
a shout out.
subscribe to him.
Oh, thank you
Because
so
we
much.
need him to 1 million subscribers. Don't do him.
I'm trying.
If you
I'm
ever
trying.
need contacts in Colorado, I got you.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. That
I have
sounds
the whole
interesting.
production team, so I got you.
Yo, I can probably use some advice. All right, I'm gonna give her my channel now.
Bye guys, sorry.
You're good. And after that, I'll try to safely get back to my hotel before things get too rowdy. Okay, people in Vegas love vloggers. Yo, he wanted to be the vlog. What's your name, man?
My name's Kyle.
Kyle. Nice to meet you, Kyle.
Kyle.
Random guy in Vegas wants to be in the vlog. I said, when?
Why
Say your
not?
name. Say your name.
My name's Carolina Rivera Zúñiga.
That's sick. Where are you guys from? It's always interesting to know where people are from here, you know? So many travelers.
We're from Toppenish.
Toppenish?
That
Okay.
shit gets crazy over there.
Okay.
Shit gets crazy.
Have you been over there?
Don't go over there.
Okay.
You have a YouTube channel?
I sure do.
What's your YouTube name?
I better give him the YouTube name. Just some wise words of Volkth. I would not recommend like exploring Vegas on your own, even if you are, you know, you just turned 21. I'm just ecstatic because this is the first big trip I've taken since my Kansas vlog way back when. And I'm just trying to take as much advantage as I can from this trip. But again, not trying to promote, you know, going out on your own and stuff. You can get pickpocketed, robbed, and all that. So, you know, think smart. Think smart. That's all I'm gonna say. Just don't want to seem like a bad influence, you know. I actually did get a chance the next day after we checked out to check out the M&M store and the Chocolate World place, but unfortunately, the lines were just too long and we needed to start our journey home, so I had to call it there for the vlog. But guys, going to Las Vegas at 21, I can say I went to Las Vegas at 21. That's hilarious. It was great. I was able to see Tseikatsu again, which was the main reason I went. We haven't seen each other. We've only met once during my Kansas vlog, if you've seen that. So that was amazing, and it was a great bonus to just go on a little mini vacation. And this just makes me want to travel more. I definitely want to travel more. And I'm getting to that point where we're getting really close. Everybody, I'm so sorry I've been MIA as of late as well. I've just been bettering my living situation around me, taking the time to just prepare for an all-out grind on YouTube streaming, and I'm also saving up to build a PC, which I've already have a list of parts I took before I went to Vegas. There's a lot in the background going on, and I promise you guys I'm not just wasting away in a rut. Anyway, existence, that'll be it for my Vegas vlog here. You all enjoy your existence, and I'll see you in the future. Lates, everybody. Enjoy your existence, alright?